So moving forward, what we're going to have here is your critical rotation audit sheet. And now this is in your Google Drive folder. I am the only one who has editing privileges to this, but you have full viewing privileges. And what this is this is a way for you to see what you have left to do in your critical rotation. So if we go back to your preseason CROs, you can see this is off the modules, off your Canvas. You have to discuss findings of environmental and heat illness with your preceptor and then submit a summary into your Drive folder. If you click here, you're going to see I've divided your global evaluations, discussions, and submissions. Under discussions, there's a heat data findings that corresponds to this discussion here. There's a summary that you have to submit that corresponds to this summary here. You're also going to notice the second part of it is PPEs, pre-participation exams. When you click on the rubric, which is located here, you're going to see that the rubric has different completion points for first years and second years. So if you click here, you're going to see that this global evaluation with the single asterisk is for second years only. You're going to see that this PPE summary of 2 asterisks is for first years only, and second years only, again, with the raw findings. So utilizing this, you'll notice that it's all in yellow. As soon as I score and assess and log it in, I will change this to green, indicating that this is completed. And you'll see the date, the score, and these columns will be completed again by myself. When all of this has been completed, you'll notice that the tab at the bottom will then turn green, indicating to you a very quick way to see which of your rotation objectives are completely done. If it's in yellow, that means you have something left to do. And if it's in red, that means you have it left to do and it is late. So right now we're looking at Shantae's fall rotation. And you can see that on the bottom, even though all the tabs are here, she's only responsible for the ones that are in yellow. So she'll be responsible for these global evaluations of college university, these global evaluations, discussions, and submissions for her extremity, this discussion and submission with her female population, and these global evaluations for her disinfection. You're going to notice that I can also keep track of her hours, which I get from each biweekly, and a comment section, which I update every biweekly. I will leave housekeeping or general comments. I encourage you highly to check this sheet, this audit sheet, and make sure that what I am logging in and what I am doing corresponds to what you have and what you have completed. So that's how you use your audit sheet. Use this in conjunction with your CROs and your rubrics off Canvas, and you should be fine for clinicals.